Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about MS Word. And in today's video, I will show you how to add a password to your MS Word file, or how you can save your MS Word file with password protected without any stress. Let me show you how. Like for instance, this particular document right here, I'm going to save it as password protected. So what we want to do here is to go ahead and make sure we come to the top right here. Go ahead and click on File. You have to click on File. Next thing you want to do is to go ahead and make sure you click on Info. Under the info right here, go ahead and click on Protect Documents. The next thing you want to do is to go ahead and make sure you click on Encrypt with Password. Next thing you want to do is to go ahead and enter your password right here. Then go ahead and hit on OK. Then re-enter your password and hit on OK. Now the document has been successfully protected with password. So what we want to do now is to go ahead and save the file. So for that, what we want to do next is to go ahead and click on Save As. Then browse the location of the file. So I'm going to save this file into desktop right here. So I will make this password. Just like so. The next thing we're going to do is to go ahead and hit on Save right here. And then here we go. Your documents will be upgraded to the newest format. Just go ahead and hit on OK, and you are done. So let's go ahead and open the MS Word file. So I'm going to minimize. So we have the file right here successfully saved in my desktop right here. So where is the? So we have the file saved right here. So by the time I click on the file, I press Enter just to open the file. Let's see. So after I successfully save the file, I'm going to go ahead and close this tab. Then we have the file right here. So let's go ahead and open the file now. Then you can see now it requires password. So what we want to do now is to enter our password for this particular file. I'm going to go ahead now and make sure I enter the password right here. So I'm going to go ahead and enter the password and hit on OK. And the file is going to load and open up right here. It's that simple. For more useful tutorial about how to use your MS Word file, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.